Hey everyone, this is Ash from Creative Mending, and today we get to open up and review this Kigurumi. It's a Mew from Pokemon Kigurumi. I ordered it from 4kigurumi.com and it just got here, so I wanted to make this video. I'm going to try not to use scissors just because it's mostly fabric, so I don't want to hurt anything. I want to mention that they do ask you for your measurements and everything. It takes about 7 to 10 days per their website to get your order made by hand. I think it took maybe like a day or two more for mine, but when you order your Kigurumi, they also give you an option of buying little feetsies. And the feets are generic. There's just got a few colors that they I've noticed they pair them with the different Kigurumi. So I just want to note right away, I can even tell from the website, even though the pictures seem to the lighting made it look like these colors were going to be similar, I kind of expected that this pink was not going to be the exact same pink as this one. So I'm totally not going to dock them on that because it's just more efficient to have the general colors and people can just tag on for that 10 bucks. You can also go to their Facebook. If you leave them a comment letting them know about the Kigurumi you're interested in, they'll give you a 10% coupon, which is really cool because then you're just paying about 4 bucks for the additional feetsies if you end up buying them. So I'm going to look at the little feetsies first. Like I said, you can tell the pink's a little bit different, but it's really not a big deal. Oh yeah, okay. So the claws are sort of this vinyl type plastic. And then, yeah, I mean, they're not going to be your everyday house shoes. They're supposed to be cute, and they do feel, you know, more affordable. I wouldn't recommend that if you have back problems wearing these all the time, but when you want to get in your Kigurumi, it's definitely a fun option. You just have them there because they're so cute. And now we'll actually look at the Mew. Oh, wow, this material is actually a lot thicker than I was expecting. It's really nice. They even added some batting onto the inside of the face, which I think will help it support a little bit better, the hood. So that's really cool. When you send your measurements, it's kind of interesting because you do need the length of your arm measurement, which hope they got that right. It looks right to me. And then they need your height, but your height is going to be from the nape of your neck down to your heel because they're going to be attaching the hood. They don't need your head, you know, your full height for the hood. They need to know where it needs to stop here so that they can attach the hood. So just bear that in mind whenever you're sending your measurements to them. Yeah, this is really nice actually. It's quite heavy. Actually a little bit, like I said, a little bit heavier than I was expecting. It's a really nice sort of fleece material, it feels like. I don't expect there to be a tag in there that's going to tell me exactly what it is, but that's probably what it is. And the face details are really pretty too. I like those. And I'm just really excited to get this thing on. And they did put some nice stuffing in the ears. I was half worried they might do what some people do where they just do a flap, and that's fine, but then it doesn't have any structural integrity, so it kind of just flops around. But Mew has his cute little squishy ears, and they did put some stuffing inside of it. That way it's supported individually, and then they even sewed this nice little seam here on the inside so it's all kept in there together. That's awesome. The other thing I was curious about was how the tail worked. Oh, okay, it's just attached with a little button. The pictures on the website were a little bit confusing when it came to the tail because there were some shots where it looked like the tail almost had an internal wire support, but I think it was just the way they shot the picture. So keep in mind that this tail does not have a posability. It is just sort of there and hanging around, but what's cool is it connects on the back with this button, and you can take it off the button if you want. That way you can just sort of be floating around behind you like Mew's does. So overall, I just want to say I'm really impressed with the quality of this, and I'm very excited that it was handmade for me. That's always really nice, and for the price, it was super affordable. I mean, under $100 for this full set, and then also with the shoes. So it got here relatively quickly. I think ordering and shipping all considered, it was just around 2 weeks or so. And I'm in the USA, so that is really awesome. It got here so fast, and I would totally recommend buying from them if you get a chance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll like this video and subscribe. Please leave me a comment in the comment box below if you're thinking about buying your own Kigurumi. I'll also leave that link for you to the website that I ordered this one from in the description box. Have a great day. I know that I am going to have a very great day.